Hello, and welcome to the introductory lesson of the Big Data Hadoop and Spark Developer course offered by Simplilearn. This course will prepare you for Cloudera's CCA175 certification and equip you with all the skills for your next big data assignment. In this video, you will get an overview of the course. To most people, big data is a baffling tech term. If you mention big data, you could well be subjected to questions such as, is it a tool or a product? Or, is big data only for big businesses? And many more such questions. So, what is big data? Today, the size or volume, complexity or variety, and the rate of growth or velocity of the data which organizations handle have reached such unbelievable levels that traditional processing and analytical tools fail to process. Big data is ever-growing and cannot be determined with respect to its size. What was considered as big 8 years ago is no longer considered so. For example, Nokia, the telecom giant, migrated to Hadoop to analyze 100 terabytes of structured data and more than 500 terabytes of semi-structured data. The Hadoop distributed file system data warehouse stored all the multi-structured data and processed data at a petabyte scale. According to the Big Data Market Report, the big data market is expected to grow from $28.65 billion in 2016 to $66.79 billion by 2021. Big Data Hadoop and Spark Developer certification and training from Simplilearn will prepare you for the Cloudera CCA175 exam. Of all the Hadoop distributions, Cloudera has the largest partner ecosystems. After completing this course, you will be able to master the concepts of the Hadoop framework and its deployment in a cluster environment. Understand how the components of the Hadoop ecosystems such as Hadoop 2.7, Yarn, MapReduce, HDFS, Pig, Hive, Impala, HBase, Scoop, Flume, and Apache Spark fits in with the data processing lifecycle. Learn to write complex MapReduce programs. Describe how to ingest data using Scoop and Flume. Explain the process of distributing data using Spark. Learn about Spark SQL, GraphX, ML library. List the best practices for data storage. Explain how to model structured data as tables with Impala and Hive. Big Data Hadoop and Spark Developer course includes 40 hours of instructor-led training with access to high-quality e-learning. The key course differentiators are as follows: 16 lessons with a total of 37 demonstrations, 85 chapter-end quiz questions to test your learning, 16 pop quiz questions, hands-on exercises at the end of every lesson, which you can practice on Cloud Labs, 4 simulation test papers with 10 questions each, installation guide, free access to Java, Scala, and Python ebook, 5 real-life projects using Hadoop and Spark. This course will facilitate you to achieve Big Data Hadoop and Spark Developer certification after successfully completing a full-scale industry project and scoring at least 80% in the simulation test papers. The course will give you the required work experience in big data analytics via implementation of real-life projects spanning 3 months. This concludes the introductory lesson. Wish you all the best for completion of this course. Happy learning!
Hey, want to become an expert in big data? Then subscribe to the Simplilearn channel and click here to watch more such videos. To nerd up and get certified in big data, click here.